What's going on, guys? I bought another abandoned storage unit, and listen, I only paid $100 for this unit right here. Yep, it's right here, right here. Yep, let's go ahead and let's see what's inside, y'all. Here we go. Oh baby, let's go, y'all. Only $100 for it. Let's go ahead and get started. Should we start over here or should we start over here? You know what? I'm gonna start over here. Got us a Jordan backpack. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. Jordan backpack right here. I'm gonna put the backpack right here on the shoes. All right, check this first pocket out. And it looks like we have a whole bunch of, what are these? Oh, cards. Whole bunch of cards. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, we got a penny, 2 pennies. Oh, we got some Hot Wheel cards. Look at these right here. Hot Wheels, baby. And I'm sure these aren't worth much. Let me see. 2017. Mattel. 2010. Yep, that's not worth much. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in this little side pocket. Nothing's in there. Let's check this out right here. Okay. What is this? We have a slink. Look at this, y'all. It's a messed up slinky right here. Let me see. Oh, look at this, look at this. We have a Spider-Man. Hey. But not just one of them. Look, we have 2 Spider-Men. My son thinks he's Spider-Man every time he wakes up when it's time to go to school, y'all. Jeremiah wakes up smiling, shooting webs and stuff. I'm like, dude is super excited to go to school. All right, let's see what else is in here, man. It looks like it's just kid stuff. Yeah, it's just kid stuff with some dirty old crackers or something that's like smushed up down there. All right, let's grab this bag. And this bag is a Mario bag. All right, we're gonna check this front pocket out. Okay, looks like more toys for kids. Yeah, a whole bunch of toys. All right, we're gonna check out the big pocket. Man, gotta find some. What in the? What is this? Come on, man. Dude, why are you keeping a can opener in your backpack? What is wrong with you? All right, so we have some plates. We are not going to use those. And we have some kid books. Oh, we got a calculator. Oh, TI-30X. Now listen, guys, TI-84s and TI-83s can go for good money. Uh-oh, guys, look. Found a little Rubik's Cube. Boom. What else is in here? All right, little kid books. And more kid books. And pencils. But I know I can definitely sell this backpack for good money. Or I might just give this backpack to Jeremiah. Because right now, he's loving him some Mario. Alright, we got another bag right here. Let's check this bag out. Let me come over. What in the world just dropped? Oh, one of those little Hot Wheel cars. Alright, I'm gonna come right here. Alright, we're gonna check this front pocket out. Alright, hold on now, hold on. Don't run away from me, don't run away from me. So we just have like a little bag, but nothing's in the bag. See if anything's at the bottom. It's a CarMax backpack. So the person used to work at CarMax, I guess. All right, let's check this bag out. Ooh, okay. Look at this right here, guys. Nice, we got a laptop. But let's see if the laptop is, it's an older model. Let's see if it's good. Oh man. The screen is not cracked, but it's like missing a button here. We have a card inside with no money. Man, come on, man. You gotta leave the money in your gift card. Come on, guys. You should know that already. Then we have inside of the backpack, another backpack, which is like kid stuff. Man, I'm trying to make a good video for you guys, but it's just like this stuff right here, man. You just never know what you're gonna get sometimes, man. But let's see, $100 for this unit, guys. So we got some little kid Nikes right here, Jordan Nikes. And from the pictures, I thought that these were adult shoes, but I can tell that they're not. All right, we got some Air Force Ones, some up-tempos. Not bad. Oh, we got some fake Yeezys. Yeah, these are super fake. Like, come on, man. Look, we got another pair of fake Yeezys. These are like the most fake shoes there probably is out there. We got some Converse shoes right here. Whole bunch of kid shoes, Vans, more Vans right here. Oh, these are actually really nice. Waffle cup. Kid shoes, we're gonna toss these down here. Some more kid shoes. So this must have been a mom's unit or something. All right, we got a, ooh, okay. Got a pair of Jordans right here. Look at these right here, guys. These are actually really nice. Pair of Jordan 1s. Wow, she barely wore these. What size are they? These are a size 4.5. Nice. All right, we got some more kid shoes. Here are the other matches. We're gonna toss all that down here. Uh-oh, we got the Gucci and Chanel. But these are actually real Crocs. But they just like, they're super beat. We're gonna move all these out the way. All right, let's pull this bin. Let's put this bin right here. See what's inside of it. All right, we have some Air Force Ones. These aren't bad, pretty clean. Look at that. All right, we have some clothes. What is this? Pair of Air Force, painted Air Force Ones. Yeah, what were they? And they tried to re-glue it. Oh my goodness. I hope a lot of the shoes is not like that. All right, we have some more little Jordan. Oh my goodness, look at this. They done drew all over these Air Force Ones. Man, I'll tell you. All right, let's keep looking and see if it's anything good in it. So I don't see anything good, guys. I just think it's their paint stuff. Yeah, more paint stuff. Here's the other shoe. Yeah, so this unit is not looking good at all for me, guys. It's not looking good. Got a pair of Jordans right here, some Air Force Ones, but $100. If I spend $100, I'm trying to make, you know, double, triple that, you know? That's just one thing about buying abandoned storage units, is that you really never know all of the stuff that's in the unit. So I understand, I see why people get discouraged. You know, they don't want to buy it anymore, but I'm a risky type of guy. So I'm gonna keep buying until I find $1 million. But now let's keep looking, guys. So we got some blankets right here. What is this? Whole bunch of FedEx bags. Y'all, they done stole the FedEx bags. Or they used to work there or something. Well, let's take this bag out. Put it right on top of here. See if there's anything good in here. All right, we got clothes. And it feels like, hold up, what is this in here? What in the world? Oh, shampoo and some scissors. Okay, just making sure there ain't nothing crazy in here. So yeah, this just feels like it's, hold up. I feel something down here, guys. Hold up. Man, it better be something good. Oh, I think it's soap. Dang it. It is soap. Ah! So the rest is, I believe, is just clothes in here. All right, let's grab, oh, okay. What are these? Oh, these might be worth some good money. Look at here, look at here. All right, look, we have a Nerf gun. Dino Squad, 8 dart drum, brand new in the box. Y'all let me know in the comments if this is like worth anything. It could be, could not be, I don't know. And then look, we have another one, the same one, brand new, guys. How much y'all think these go for? I don't know. I know certain Nerf guns can be worth like a lot of money, and then others could be worth $20. So y'all let me know. All right, we got some clothes in here. Yeah, it's just clothes in here, so nothing good really. Just more clothes. More clothes, more clothes, and more clothes. All right, so I know I put all the shoes over here on top of this blue bag. I can already tell, guys, that this is like cleaning stuff. We don't even have to look through it. Like, it's straight cleaning stuff. But we can grab this bag right here, see what this bag is talking about. Please be something good in it. Please be something good in it. All right. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. We got a little iPhone, but it's not in there. Yeah, they're never in there. All right, we have a pair of Air Force Ones. These are super small, man. What in the world? But they're like beat up too. Look at that. Look at that toe box. It's all ripping right here. Man. All right, what else we got? Here's the other shoe. Some more beat up shoes. There's a pair to the beat up shoes now. All right, so it's like hair in here. Other stuff. What is this? A fan? See if it works. Looks like you want to cut on. Cut on. Okay. All right, what is this? Ooh, I'm gonna give this to Jazz. She definitely need this, y'all. This is a scrubber to get all of them crusty toes and stuff, all that dead skin off your feet. Nah, I'm playing, y'all. Don't let her know that I said that, because she would literally kill me if she finds out I said that. What is this? Shea Moisture? Okay, I don't know if this is worth anything. Flashlight, another flashlight. So she must have been like a high school / college student or something. And probably had a kid, so. Because I'm positive her shoe size is not this small. Now I know some people got small, like women got small feet, but this is like kid small.